Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be learning about the data transformation basics such as removing duplicates and blanks, cleaning up the messy data, splitting and merging columns, that's basically rearranging data efficiently. Also, changing data types to ensure correct data formatting. We are also going to learn about how to use conditional columns, applying logic based on transformation. We are also going to be replacing values, handling errors, fix common data issues, pivoting and unpivoting data, which is basically reshaping data for data analysis. Right after, we are also going to be learning about how to add new columns and combining queries and what they are all about in Power Query. In Microsoft Power Query, or data cleaning basically, one of the things that we want to do is enhance our data sets. So if you have downloaded your data set from anywhere based on the sources that we've discussed before, you may want to add some varieties or enhance it by adding new columns, such as your age category if you have age and you want to classify the age based on a category. For example, we can have age greater than 18 to be adult, and if they are less than 18 to be child or teenagers. So adding a new column in Microsoft Power Query makes it very easy for categorization. Alright, so another thing we can add is an index column where we can assign a unique value or unique row numbers for tracking. Imagine you are working with a data set that does not have any ID at all. In data analytics, we call it primary keys. So this way we can create our own primary keys, a unique identifier, so that each of the rows can have their unique ID. We can also append queries, which is basically stacking data, adding rows together. For example, we have two data sets which has the same number of columns and the same field. Let's say we have two people that collect data for us. One person has collected 50 rows of data and another person has collected 30 rows of data. So at the end of the day, we want to merge these two data together to give us 80 in total. If we are adding them by rows, we call them stacking or appending. So when you are adding the rows together, that is appending queries in Power Query. You are adding rows to the number of rows or the existing number of rows that we have before. And the last aspect that we're going to be looking at here is merging queries. Merging queries is basically if you want to link two tables together or you want to join two tables together so that they can have a unique columns or columns that is going to be serving as a linkage between the two tables.